So I've got a Joby grip-tight magnetic GorillaPod. It's basically meant to be adaptable and adjustable so you can attach it to things magnetically, but also wrap the legs around whatever it might be, whether it's a railing or a bar or anything like that. I went with this one rather than the more expensive GorillaPod Pro because this one has the magnetic feet, and I think that'll be really useful. Now, we can see here our GorillaPod. It has at the top there just a normal tripod mount, and then we've also got in the box there our iPhone or other phone mount. Obviously that folds down flat, so we can pop those pieces out, and there we go. So that, and there's our manual, and that's everything that's in the box. So the manual is pretty straightforward. Obviously there's not much to it. You just screw on the phone holder, and then you're good to go. Or if you're using the typical traditional tripod mount, you just mount it straight onto your camera or GoPro or whatever other device you're using, and you're good to go. So let's have a look at this then. So obviously I just screw that on. So that screws on basically the same as you would screw any camera mount onto a tripod. So that's it assembled. Pretty straightforward and easy. We've got this little lock symbol here. Okay, so we can press the Joby, that little side button there in. What it does is it locks in our tripod mount, so we can actually remove that for attaching it to a camera or whatever. So there's our magnetic feet, and that's sticking nicely to this light. No problems at all there, that works well. And that's it, standing up, ready to go. Basically, you just push that up to fit in your phone, and it pulls down on it, holds it in place.